So this is a mindfulness exercise that is going to involve calling up a challenging situation and then identifying and labeling the challenging emotion associated with that experience. And then we'll be bringing mindful awareness to the emotion, particularly where it shows up in the body. And then we're going to soften into this place, soothe yourself for struggling in the way that you're struggling, and then allow yourself to feel discomfort, hence soften, soothe, and allow. So start by finding a comfortable position where you can sit and be comfortable but also attentive. And close your eyes and take 3 bigger than usual relaxing breaths to start. And then allow your breathing to resume its own natural rhythm. And try placing your hand on your heart for a few moments to remind yourself that you're in the room and to bring kindness to yourself. Now, let yourself recall a mildly moderate, difficult situation that you're in right now. Perhaps it's a health problem, stress in a relationship, or a loved one in pain. Don't choose a very difficult problem or a trivial problem. Choose one that can generate a little bit of stress in the body when you think about it. Now, clearly visualize the situation. Who was there? What was said? What happened? Now see if you can name the strongest emotion, a difficult emotion, associated with that situation. Maybe anger, sadness, grief, confusion, fear, longing, despair. Repeat the name of the emotion to yourself in a gentle and understanding voice, as if you were validating for a friend what he or she is feeling. So that's longing, and that's grief. Now expand your awareness to your body as a whole. Recall the difficult situation again and scan your body for where you feel it the most. In your mind's eye, sweep your body from head to toe, stopping where you can sense a little tension or discomfort. Now choose a single location in your body where the feeling expresses itself most strongly, perhaps as muscle tension or an achy feeling like a heartache. In your mind, incline gently toward this spot. Now soften into that location in your body. Let the muscles be soft without a requirement that they become soft, like simply applying heat to sore muscles. You might say soft, 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 quietly to yourself to enhance the process. Remember that you're not trying to make the sensation go away. You're just being with them with loving awareness. If you wish, let yourself just soften around the edges, like around the edges of a pancake. No need to go all the way in. Soothe yourself for struggling in this way. Put your hand over your heart and feel your body breathe. Perhaps kind words arise in your mind, such as, "Oh my, this is such a painful experience. May I grow in ease and well-being." If you wish, you can also direct kindness to the part of your body that's under stress by placing your hand in that place. And it may help to think of your body as if it were the body of a beloved child. You can say kind words to yourself or just repeat, soothe, soothe, soothe. Allow the discomfort to be there. Abandon the wish for the feeling to disappear. Let the discomfort come and go as it pleases, like a guest in your own home. And you can repeat, allow, allow, allow. Soften, soothe, allow. Soften, soothe, allow. You can use these 3 words like a mantra, reminding yourself to incline with tenderness toward your own suffering. If you experience too much discomfort with an emotion, stay with your breath until you feel better. Slowly open your eyes when you're ready.